At ayan na nga guys, dumating na po ang ating mga celebrities na galing sa Philippines. Ayan na si Miss Jessa Zaragoza at Dingdong Avansado. Ayan guys, don't forget guys, ang concert nila ay bukas na March 1 at Club RSL Borwood. So sa mga naghahanap po ng ticket, please contact Miss Jess Solomon or you can get your ticket sa door. Ayan, bago sila mag-open ng 7. I believe yata door open at 6 p.m. at show start at 7 p.m. At ayan na guys, si Miss Jessa at Dingdong Avansado.
Hey, ayan na guys, dumating na po si Jessa at